initiative to build a zero-waste community for a pollution-free Bangladesh. In this video, we will discuss how we can easily manage our household waste by composting. In our total generated waste, around 60 to 70% waste are household organic waste. We can easily manage the huge amount of waste by simple steps of composting. So now let us start and get familiar with the steps of composting. This is our composter, which is made of clay that is very environment friendly. This composter has 3 segmented units. The first step with our composting is to select a place where the composter would be safe and won't be affected by sun, rain or pet animals like cats and dogs. The composter has 3 segmented units, Unit A, Unit B and Unit C. This is the lid of the composter. This is Unit A, which have hole at the bottom and surrounding holes for better aeration purpose. This is Unit B, which have similar structure, hole at the bottom and surrounding holes for aeration. Unit C have a different structure which doesn't have hole at the bottom but have surrounding holes for better aeration purpose. So for starting at day 1, we need to place a piece of paper at the bottom of a unit. This is our paper. Now we'll need coco peat, which is made of external fibers of coconut, which is very dry and granulated. This is our coco peat, which is very dry, granulated and in brown color. This is made of external fiber of coconut. It will enhance the bacterial activity and keep the moisture content safe for composting. We'll need this 3 to 4 handful. We need to spread over the paper. Then we will place our organic household waste, which is mainly discarded food items, eggshells or vegetable peels. Our day-to-day organic households will be placed after the layer of coco peat. Then we'll need some coco peat again to cover the waste. Again some 3 to 4 handful of it. Then we will cover the total waste and coco peat layer with another piece of paper. This won't attract the flies and keep the bad odor away. Then we will have to cover the lid to keep it safe.
After we have set up our composters and the units of the composter, we are going to start rotating the units. After the A unit has been filled up to 3/4 portion with the biodegradable wastes, we're going to switch the containers. The A unit will be going to on the middle section and the B unit will go on top. Another some time after when the B unit will be 3/4 portion filled up, we're going to transfer the materials of A unit into the C unit. Another 30 to 40 days later, when the C unit will going to be filled up to the 3/4 portion and the waste is going to be dry and dark brown color and we can see fungus on top of the wastes, we can harvest the compost or the fertilizer. To harvest the compost, we will sieve the decomposed materials with a siever. We will keep as fertilizer or compost the fine, smooth, granulated materials, the powder, and we will keep the large granules of the biodegradable waste again into the A unit so that they can go through another cycle of composting. So this is the easy and trouble-free way of composting our biodegradable wastes at home. At this point, I need to mention 2 key points that when harvesting the compost, if we see moisture in that, we can air dry it for 2 to 3 hours in sunlight. And every time we open the containers, we have to cover them with paper and the lid so that it doesn't attract insects or spread bad odor. After harvesting, we can use this as fertilizer to our gardening or we can sell it.
Let's act responsibly and manage our own waste by composting.
And start living towards zero waste lifestyle because zero waste is possible.